We love our customers and work incredibly hard to make them happy. So when they love us back by giving us a glowing review online, we just have to share what they're saying with you and our other customers. In short, we work extremely hard to provide the best customer service to our customers. And this review shows that we're doing a good job. We are very proud of this. We want you to get the best service possible, and at the same time, we would like to earn a 5-star review from you. Call us today at the number on your screen, and thanks for dropping in on us today. Our door is always open if you have any questions on how we can serve you.
What is a heat pump? Well, it's going to move heat from inside the building to outside, or outside the building to inside, to give us heat or air conditioning, depending on if it's winter or summer, of course. And what is a split system? That means we have a unit outside and we have units inside. And ductless, what does that mean? Well, there's no ducts. We just have a unit on the wall where we want to heat and cool, where the warm or cold air will be made, if you will. And in this case, we have a 3-head system, and we have 1 head to heat and cool that part of the building sticking out there. The bottom is not air conditioned, and the second floor has 2 heads upstairs to give us nice cool space in the summer and warm in the winter. Let's take a look.